I don't even have a Sebastian tour yet. Out of all people, him and Slick Rick have been to the most meets. So I'm Mr. Needs a Lift kit. And then now I've been peer pressured to get a high top roof. So here it is with the high top roof. It's weird to stand in a van. So I like the looks of normal roof vans more, but the high top roof, it's like it's a game. So I don't think it looks as cool as a normal roof van, but standing up is nice. But with the standing, this is what I really like. They don't cut over the driver's area, so you got all this storage up here. You could put your bags up here, and that's what's making me want a high top roof now. The bags, putting bags up here. That's like a lot less clutter. And yeah, it's really weird standing in a van, in a vehicle. Action van lift kit on Sebastian's van. And this is the base kit, the performance kit, 2089. Modified radius arm. Ryan light bar. And he has 295 7017s. Right there, 295 7017s. KO3s, 34-inch tires. If I do get a high top roof, this is who I'm going with.